Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to thread at your home. This is really worth, I think, for the girls because girls spend their money for removing facial hairs and facial hairs. You need only a thread ball and use a piece of thread as you can see in this video, and make a knot. If you are right-hander, make a knot in the right hand side. Always the knot should be keep your right hand side. Don't allow it to come to middle of the thread. Then this is not really work. If it comes to the middle, then hold it like this. Use your thumb and the index finger. Then keep your hand like this and turn it around like this more than 3-4 times. Here you can see the knot came to the between of the thread. Keep it there. I got it. Then go for it. After turning, you can see the thread is acting like a scissor. Then you can use it to remove your hairs. Please practice this with your upper lips. Before come to the upper lips, you can use your legs to remove the hairs. Practice the threading. Then keep it to your tongue under the lip like this, and then keep your thread in this way and pull it to the right hand side. If you are righty, then pull it to your right hand side. If you are left hand side, then pull it to your left hand side. You will feel a pain because your hair pulling out. You can use this all over your face, but I'm not using threading to do my face. I'm not removing my facial hairs because I feel like it will increase after removing that. I'm only doing the eyebrows and the upper lip. I think after practice yourself to do this at your home by upper lip, then you can go for the eyebrows. If you think this, if you learn something new, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the learn new things. And hope you guys enjoy the video. Please give thumbs up. Stay tuned. Bye bye.